Let's be totally honest for a second. There's this very specific, nagging kind of stress that just creeps up around the middle of every single month, right? It's that mental toll of managing a seemingly endless stack of utility bills. But today, we're going to completely relieve a massive chunk of that stress. Hello, everyone, and welcome to this Explainer. I am thrilled you're here. We are taking a really focused, practical look at setting up Autopay for your Ameren utility bill. We're going straight to the source material, Ameren's official guidelines, to give you a crystal clear roadmap to getting your account completely automated. Let's get your time back.
I mean, are you tired of tracking utility due dates, constantly worrying about getting hit with late fees just because a piece of mail got lost in the shuffle, or maybe it just slipped your mind during a crazy busy week? Look, we have all been there. Managing monthly bills can genuinely feel like a part-time job you never signed up for. But setting up Ameren Autopay? It is the ultimate peace of mind solution. In just a few minutes, you can make sure your electricity and gas bills are paid perfectly on time every single month without you ever having to lift a finger or write another check.
Okay, let's dive into this. Here is our roadmap for today. We'll start with the Autopay Advantage. Then, we'll walk through creating your secure account, followed by the step-by-step Autopay setup. After that, we'll cover monitoring and adjusting settings and wrap the whole thing up with some final tips and a quick disclaimer. I'll be your digital guide through every single step.
Let's kick things off with Section 1, the Autopay Advantage.
Before we get into the technical how-to, we really need to understand exactly what this is and why it's such a total game changer. When we look at the operational documents and actually analyze customer feedback, a super consistent theme pops up. Autopay has simplified their financial routines, especially when combined with digital statements. Think about what that actually looks like in your day-to-day life. No more writing checks, no more hunting down stamps, no more frantically logging in on the 29th hoping you didn't miss the cutoff time. By securely linking your bank account or card, Ameren automatically withdraws the exact amount you owe right on your due date. People consistently report that this set-it-and-forget-it approach brings incredible reliability and, honestly, just an immense amount of mental relief. You literally just don't have to think about it anymore.
Now, what's really interesting here is this concept of the power couple. If you want absolute 100% predictability in your budgeting, you got to combine Autopay with Ameren's budget billing. So budget billing takes your home's previous 12-month energy usage history and calculates a steady, even monthly payment. Combine that flat rate with the automatic withdrawal of Autopay, and you completely eliminate those terrifying seasonal price spikes. Imagine knowing exactly what your bill is going to be in the dead of winter when the heater is just blasting, or in the scorching heat of July when your AC is running nonstop. Absolutely no more surprises. It's a completely predictable, hands-free schedule that makes budgeting a total breeze.
Moving right along to Section 2, creating your secure account.
So to use these online features, you first need a digital hub. If you haven't set up an Ameren online account yet, this is exactly where we begin. Setting up a new account requires strict identity verification, and hey, there's a very good reason for this. In today's digital age, protecting your sensitive info against identity theft is absolutely crucial. Ameren has to verify you are exactly who you say you are. You'll need to provide your legal name, your full service address, and your social security number. You're also going to need that 10-digit Ameren account number, which you can find printed right at the top of your paper bill. Actually, quick side note, if you don't have a social security number, no worries at all. The docs outline an alternative process where you can just fax or email 2 notarized forms of identification to safely get your account established.
Because we're dealing with your sensitive financial data, security is just paramount. Let's talk about digital safety for a second. You need to create a strong, completely unique password. That means a mix of uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols that you literally do not use for any other website. Turn on two-factor authentication, or 2FA, if available. That way, even if someone somehow guesses your password, they still can't get in without a code sent directly to your phone. If you're using the Ameren mobile app, absolutely take advantage of biometric logins like facial recognition or fingerprint scanning. It makes logging in totally effortless and ensures you're the only one getting in. Ameren uses encrypted connections on their end, but you play a massive role in locking the front door to your account.
Okay, let's get to the main event. Section 3, Step-by-Step Autopay Setup. I want you to picture the interface as we walk through this exact click path on the web portal. First, log in securely at ameren.com. Second, look for and click on the Billing and Payments menu. Third, select the option that says Manage Programs. And finally, you'll see a clear link to enroll in Autopay. This is where you enter your routing and bank account numbers or your credit card details. And here's a highly effective troubleshooting tip for you. If your payment method ever fails to verify right here, immediately double-check that you didn't accidentally swap your routing and account numbers. Sounds silly, but that is the most common hiccup by far. Once everything goes through, you'll see a bright transaction success screen, and you'll instantly get an email receipt confirming your enrollment. The whole shebang takes less than 5 minutes.
Now this brings us to a very important financial detail you'll want to factor in. Not all payment methods are created equal when it comes to fees. Setting up an ACH bank draft, which connects directly to your checking or savings account, is completely 100% free of charge. But if you choose to use a credit or debit card or the pay-by-phone automated system, which uses a third-party vendor called SpeedPay, you will be hit with a $2.50 convenience fee every single transaction. To put that into perspective, over the course of a year, that's $30 just in fees for the privilege of paying your bill. So to truly optimize your finances, setting up that free ACH transfer is absolutely the way to go.
Once you're enrolled, you're not just flying blind. Let's look at Section 4, Monitoring and Adjusting Settings. Staying informed gives you full control. The great thing about Ameren's system is its total transparency. You should absolutely opt in for email or text alerts. It gives you incredible peace of mind because every time your scheduled payment processes successfully, you get a quick ping on your phone. It completely cures that background anxiety of wondering, wait, did my payment actually go through? If a payment ever does fail, maybe your card expired or your bank account is unusually low, these alerts notify you instantly. You can just log in and update your details before a late fee even enters the chat. You can also easily check your transaction history. The mobile app conveniently holds your last 12 months of statements, while the web portal stores an impressive 3 years of comprehensive billing history.
Now, while it's super easy to log back into that Manage Programs menu to adjust or even cancel your autopay, you really need to be aware of the implications. The source documents contain a pretty important warning regarding discounts. If you're on certain regional utility plans, you might actually be getting a 5% tariff discount simply for being enrolled in Autopay. Cancel it, and your overall bill might jump up on the very next cycle. Plus, if you do cancel and switch back to manual payments, keep in mind Ameren enforces a strict 20-day grace period after your due date. Miss that critical window, and you're risking real-world consequences like an immediate service disconnection. Getting turned back on brings hefty reconnection fees and usually means paying substantial new security deposits. That right there is exactly why automating the process is the much safer, stress-free bet.
We are coming down the home stretch. Section 5, Final Tips and Disclaimer. Let's hit some rapid-fire, highly practical tips straight from the source material. First, if you use the mobile app, don't sweat alert clutter. Those push notifications automatically clear themselves out after 30 days. Second, no reliable internet? You are not left out. You can easily and securely enroll in Autopay over the phone using their official toll-free numbers, 1-833-442-7583 or 1-805-696-4090. Third, a critical rule of digital hygiene. Monitor your bank statements regularly for any unauthorized transactions. And finally, never, ever share your Ameren login credentials through an email or an unsecured text message, even if the message looks exactly like it's coming from the company. Always stay vigilant.
And that brings us to our mandatory disclaimer. As we all know, corporate policies, fee structures, and websites inevitably evolve over time. The information presented in this explainer is incredibly thorough based on current operational frameworks, but procedures and terms may change. We strongly encourage you to always verify the latest details, fees, and terms of service directly on the official Ameren.com website or by giving their official customer support lines a call. So what does this all mean for you? Are you ready to reclaim your time and set your utility bills to autopilot? We've walked through the immense mental relief this brings, exactly how to create your secure account, the step-by-step click path to enroll, how to avoid sneaky fees with an ACH transfer, and how to monitor the whole thing from the palm of your hand. By taking literally just 10 minutes today to set this up, you can cross paying the power bill off your monthly to-do list forever. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer. Keep learning, stay focused, and enjoy your newly automated peace of mind.